In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a live edge cedar headboard project that I recently completed. Now, this isn't necessarily an instructional or how-to video, but more so just an overview of the build to maybe inspire you to do a similar project of your own. So it should be pretty obvious what I'm doing here and what the steps are. And again, this is just simply meant to give you some inspiration for your own projects. So let's get started. As you can see here, the first step in this project was to harvest some cedar, which I did with my Granberg Alaskan chainsaw mill. If you're interested in harvesting and processing your own lumber, I recently did an entire video series on this topic, which you can check out here at this channel. So there you have it. That's a quick overview and an example of how to make a live edge cedar headboard. And hopefully this video will inspire you to build one of your own. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.